each roof becomes a dome, then you'll hear your heart calling. There's no place like home. There's no place like home. That's when you must believe. There's no place like home, especially Christmas Eve. There's no place like home, the song will clearly say. There's no place like home, especially Christmas Day.
Welcome everybody to Showbiz Pizza Place, and I'm Billy Bob, and we're celebrating Christmas time again. And we love Christmas time so much because that's when we get to be home with our friends and our family members, and everybody brings over their kids, and we get to see how much they've grown all year. And we do lots of good eating and singing. We get around and sing together, you know. And me and the rest of the band members here, we love the singing part because our family members usually ask us to lead the sing-alongs. Because we're in a band and stuff, and they think we can sing okay. And so we lead the sing-alongs and stuff, huh, Looney Bird? Looney Bird, what you doing in there? Looney Bird, come out here and... Looney Bird, what you doing in there? Uh-oh, folks, Looney Bird, come on out here, explain yourself. Looney Bird, what are you doing in there?
Just a little preventative dental work there, Billy Bob. You know, filled all my teeth so that I can eat all the sweets I want this Christmas without getting any cavities.
Oh, no, Looney Bird, that's silly. You can't fill your own teeth and expect not... Never mind, Looney Bird, we're talking about all the songs we do when we go home and see our folks and stuff at Christmas, and I just thought I'd ask you if you'd start the show off by doing that one that your mama loves so much. You know, the one she gets you to do in front of everybody every year?
No, Billy. I can't do it, I'm sorry.
Well, how come, Looney Bird?
Billy Bob, I don't do that song too good, you know, I get embarrassed.
Oh, Looney Bird, everybody'd love to hear you do it. It's okay. Everybody wants to hear Looney Bird do his mama's favorite Christmas song.
Way.
Come on, let's get him out here and do it for us.
Nope, I'm not gonna do it. I'm sorry, I told you I'm not gonna do it. I don't do that song in public, and that's final.
Well, if that's final, Looney Bird, I guess we won't bother you about it again, right, everybody?
Good.
We won't even ask you to do it again.
Right.
And we'll just start the show with Mitzi.
Jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells ring and jingle bells swing. Snowing and blowing and bushels of fun. Now the jingle rock has begun.
Jingle bell, jingle bell, jingle bell rock. Jingle bells chime, it's jingle bell time. Dancing and prancing in Jingle Bell Square in the frosty air.
What a bright time, it's the right time to rock the night away. Jingle bell time, it's a swell time to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle horse, pick up those feet, jingle around the clock. Mix and mingle with the jingling beat. That's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell, that's the jingle bell rock.
Looney Bird. We know what that is.
Yeah, we know what that is, Looney Bird. You come on out of there.
Go away!
It's your mama's favorite song, Looney Bird.
Hey, Looney Bird, your mama's sitting out here. She wants to hear it.
My mom's out there?
Yeah, your mom's out here.
Yeah.
I'll never sing this song in public.
Yeah, I
Oh,
know.
Looney Bird, come on, I wanted to hear you.
Come on, Looney Bird, come sing it for Mommy. Mama! It's my mama. Ave Maria. Thank you.
Thank you, Looney. I'm sure you made your mama happy with that. you know, folks. Me and Looney Bird, we just want to tell y'all that we hope you enjoy a wonderful Christmas at home with your family this year. And when you hear those bells ringing this year, that they'll be bells of joy and not the blues.
Bells will be ringing the sad, sad news. Oh, what a Christmas to have the blues. My baby's gone, I have no friends to wish me greetings once again. We'll be singing silent night, Christmas carols by candlelight. Please come home for Christmas. Please come home for Christmas. If not for Christmas, by New Year's night. Friends and relations send salutations. Sure as the stars shine above. This is Christmas, yes, Christmas, my dear. The time of year to be with the one you love. You tell me you're never more wrong. Christmas and New Year's find you at home. There'll be no more sorrow, no grief, no pain, and I'll be happy, happy once again. I'll be happy, happy once again.
Oh yeah, Beach Bear. There's a lot of reasons why your baby might not make it home for Christmas. Why, last year, my little Esmeralda got 2 bunions on her big toe. Couldn't get on the airplane. So take it from me. You want to spend Christmas with your baby? Take care of your features.
There'll be no more sorrow, no grief, no pain. I'll be happy anytime you come my way. But this offer is void after New Year's Eve.
Oh, there's no place like home for the holidays. There's no like home. Yeah, there's no place like home for the holidays. For the holidays, there's just no place like home.
City sidewalks, busy sidewalks, dressed in holiday style. In the air, there's a feeling of Christmas. Laughing, people passing, meeting smile after smile, and on every street corner you'll hear silver bells,
silver bells,
silver city. Ring-a-ling, hear them ring. Soon it will be Christmas. Soon it will be Christmas. Soon it will be Christmas Day.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling, true.
A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Lord, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Outside the snow is falling and friends are calling you.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Lord, it's lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Frosty the Snowman was a jolly happy dude with a corncob pipe and a button nose and two eyes made out of food. Frosty the Snowman is a fairy tale, they say. He was made of snow, but the children know how he came to life one day. There must have been some magic in that old silk hat they found, 'cause when they placed it on his head, he began to dance like James Brown, in a hot tub.
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding.
Everybody!
Ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't ding. A 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 ding-a-ling-a-ling-a-ling, don't
Sleigh bell ring, are you listening? In the lane, snow is glistening. A beautiful sight, we're happy tonight, walking in a winter wonderland. Gone away, here's a bluebird, they're here to stay. Here's a new bird, he sings a little song as we go along, walking in a winter wonderland. In the meadow we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job if you in town. But when the snow ain't it thrilling? Though you know it gets a little chilly, Frolic can't play the Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland. Huh. Can I play? Better we can build a snowman and pretend that he is Parson Brown. He'll say, are you married? We'll say, no, man, but you can do the job if you in town. Later on, we'll conspire as we dream by the fire to face unafraid plans that we made, walking in a winter wonderland. Oh, Miss Frolic can play Eskimo way, walking in a winter wonderland.